Well, hello there. Today we're going to dive into the Armenia. Religion. Armenia was the first country in the world to adopt Christianity as a state religion in 301 AD. Christianity was introduced in Armenia much earlier, during the 1st century, by two of Christ's disciples, Bartholomew and Thaddeus, in 60 to 68 AD. The Armenian Apostolic Church is the national church of Armenians. The church has been a symbol of national culture. It has been seen as the home of Armenians and the bearer of Armenian culture. As of 2011, most Armenians are Christians, 94.8%, and are members of the Armenian Apostolic Church. The first book written in the Armenian alphabet was the Holy Bible, translated in Armenian as the Breath of God. Christianity plays a major role in the Armenian daily life of this nation, which celebrated the 1700th anniversary of Christianity in Armenia on 2001. Together with preserving the Christian ancient traditions, the Armenian treat as a commandment, the first sentence written in the Armenian alphabet, set down by the creator of the Armenian alphabet, Mesrop Mastots. Know wisdom and instruction, perceive the words of understanding as a commandment and strive for enlightenment and the more progressive. It is important that we understand the beautiful side of this country, how these people interact and what these people do. We should not let the fame of this country fall down because of what the Young Turks did to them. Thank you. Bartholomew and Worcestershire sauce. Wait, what? So, I guess I could add the text or the credit. And that's not the best. I don't know what to do. Maybe we could add like a cool transition to end it off. Or maybe some cool filters. No. These are too stupid. I don't want to use them. But let's see if we can try something like... Wait, am I recording this? Why am I recording this? Why am I even recording my screen? What am I doing? Why am I even recording my video editor? What is this? What the crap am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing.